Hey everybody, it's Megan over here, and today I'm gonna show you how to make a friendship charm. And for this case, I'm making a pancake. And yeah, I think this craft is really very cute. And let's get started. So for this craft, you will need a piece of paper, some water, your clay. For this case, I'm using copolymer clay, some cornstarch or Vaseline, is up to your choice, some chalk. You can use watercolor too, but for this case I'm using chalk, and dotting tool, and a brush, and in this craft I'm doing it on a piece of cutting base so it doesn't dirty my table. So let's get started. So for this craft I'm just gonna start with picking out the colors that I want my pancake to be, and I'm just gonna color it so the powder will come out, the chalk will come out. This is how much you want, and some other colors can be this color, and last but not least I would choose this color. So I just lay all the powders here just for in case when I need to use. So whenever I need to use other colors, I would just I would just color it like that so the pigment will come out and I do not waste any powder. So I'm just gonna set it aside and start with the clay. So first of all, I'm gonna start with taking the clay and kind of flatten it, and this is the amount of clay you want, so I'm just trying to flatten it so to the size that I can cut. So this is probably the size that I want, or maybe bigger. So I'll be right back if I need any more like clay, but right now I think we're doing fine. It's just that the edges are not clean, so I'm just gonna clean it up and I will be right back in a second. Okay guys, I'm back, and I just went ahead and added some of this powder around the base so the clay doesn't stick on the base and ruin the clay. So I got the desired size I want, so now it kind of looks a bit like a tiny pizza. So now I will go ahead and take my brush, take my paper, dip it in some of this lighter pigment, and I will just brush it across the clay. So the colors will start building up, and as it builds up it will make this very beautiful pancake color, but right now it's just building up, as you can see. So I'm just gonna try and get my desired color, and I'll be right back. Okay guys, so after I got my desired color, I'm gonna go ahead and place on these two colors just on the crust, on the outer layer, so it has a slightly burned kind of effect, and it will be beautiful. And I will just start doing that and come back in a while. Okay guys, so I tried my best and this is what I got. I don't know if it looks like a pancake on camera, but this is what I got. It looks green on camera, I don't know why. But yeah, so this is what I got. So after that, you're just gonna take your blade. I didn't mention that we needed blade at the beginning, but we need a, like I'm using this pen knife. You're just gonna cut into half. You can cut into zigzag lines, but I thought half was more cute. So you're just gonna cut this into half, just like this. Cut it into half. And there we go. We have half a pancake. So, as you can see, the half is still white. So you're gonna go ahead and color the half, like the middle part. And I'll be right back in a second. Okay, so after coloring in, not really coloring, after filling in the middle part, as you can see, you're just gonna round off the corners. Like there's a corner here, there's a corner here, so you're gonna round it off just by pressing or applying pressure. And do the same for both of the pancakes slices. And so you're gonna like go back and put them together, and you're gonna keep doing this because you don't want it to lose shape. So this is how it looks like. So after that, you can leave it like this and add a eye pin on it. Or for this case, I am adding a happy face, a cute little happy face for both of them. So I'm just gonna grab my little trusty little dotting tool over here, and I'm just gonna take my black watercolor, and then I'm just gonna dip into there's some product here and add on the cute little happy face on it. So I'm gonna just go ahead and add the eyes first. So done with one eye, one pancake, and the other one. So I'm just gonna line it up. I don't really know if you guys can see. There we go. So get my product and place it on. There we go. Now we have cute little eyes for our pancake. And then we're gonna add teeny tiny little mouths for our pancakes. So again, we're gonna grab our trusty little black color, and for this time I'm using the smaller end and placing on a cute little smile on the pancake. There we go, one pancake. And let's do the other one. Oh no! I ruined the other one. It's okay. And there we have 2 pancakes. And so, after that, we're gonna add little teeny tiny cheeks, cute little cheeks on them. So I'm just gonna take some pink colored paint, and I have here pink colored watercolor paint, and I'm just gonna use the tiny side of the dotting tool and again dip it in some paint and add them closer to the eyes. We have one cheek, and add another one here. Look how cute they are. This is one pancake with cheeks. I don't know if you guys, there we go. And I'm gonna just finish up the other pancake and I'll be right back. So here guys, so here it is, the 2 teeny tiny pancakes, which is a French shaped pancake. And I think they are so cute. You can make them for your best friends, your friends, your boyfriends, I don't know, but they are just so cute. And you can go ahead and add an eye pin on it, but I'm just not gonna do that. And there we have it. I hope you like this tutorial. Please subscribe, like, and comment on what do you think about these pancakes. They are so cute. And I hope to see you next time. Bye!